Build AI apps with Python in Neovim. Episode 1. Your first AI API call. The Claude API lets you send messages to an AI model and get responses back. All from Python, just a few lines of code. We install the SDK, set up an API key, and make our first call. Then we change the question and call again. Let's begin. First, we create a .env file. This stores our API key securely. The API key connects our script to Claude. Never hard-code it. Now we create our Python file. Comments at the top. Episode 1, our first API call. Three imports: OS for environment, .dotenv for the env file, Anthropic for the API. Load.env reads our API key from the .env file. Anthropic creates the client. It finds the key automatically. Now the API call, messages.create, sends a request to Claude. Model specifies which Claude model to use. Max tokens limits how long the response can be. Messages is a list. Each message has a role and content. Role user means we are asking the question. Content is what we ask. Print the response. Content at index 0.text. :bang Python%. This runs our script. Claude responds with a one-sentence answer. Our first API call works. Now we change the question. Search for the text. CI quote. Change inside quotes. Type a new question. Run again with the new question. A different question, a different answer. Same code, same pattern. Jump to top to review our code. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, the Anthropic SDK connects Python to Claude with just a few lines. Second, messages.create sends a question and returns a response. Third, .env keeps your API key secure. Never hardcode secrets. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Next episode: System prompts and parameters.